Police responded to a gas station after reports of an intoxicated man on a motorcycle waving a vodka bottle.
Hi, sir. You want to go ahead and sit down real quick? What? Thank you. Sit down. We need to have a conversation.
Hey, what's up, man? Nice to meet you. You good? Good.
Here, let's go ahead and take a seat.
So real quick, who you on the phone with, man?
Hey.
I want you to get off the phone so you can talk to me, all right?
Yeah.
What's going on?
I love you guys. I'd rather you have me do
Nope.
Take that with me. I bet you would.
Hey, you gotta love a woman or a police force. Like, come on, man. I ain't turning up for my You know what? You know, that's my baby. Like I see you, you're beautiful. It gotta be so hard for you to be a woman.
Not at all.
And being the field of a guy. I respect it, blessing the fire. But this, that's my baby.
Yeah? You paid it off?
No.
No? You owe a lot?
I owe a lot. Yeah, but she's my girl. That's my woman. Alright.
I want you to place the left foot on the line.
Hey, I love you, girl. I love you.
Look. Yo, I'm talking to you. Alright? Don't worry, you're gonna see a lot more women.
Hey, Daniel, it's okay. I'm alright.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, you're gonna have to stop looking back, alright?
Why
I want you to put your left foot on the line. Left foot on the line.
Left?
Uh-huh.
Left. Okay. 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Alright, I want you to put your heels close together again, like this. Hands by side.
Are you ready?
Done?
Do this?
Then you're right.
I was going here for 2 hours. You were going the wrong way on 50 when you pulled in. Bro, I sat here for 2 hours. You really gonna patronize me? You really gonna do this? In front of my son! You're gonna patronize me in front of my fucking son? What's up, bitch? Hey, take off these cuffs. Take off these cuffs. You're gonna take off these fucking cuffs, nigga. What? You ain't gonna look me in the fucking in the face. You ain't gonna look me in the fucking face. Huh? You ain't gonna look me in the battery charge. Man, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
Do you have the route?
You gonna fucking look me in my face.
Go back around.
Look me in my face. You a bitch. Look me in my face. Tell me. You fucking.
Do you want the? Who's got the route?
No.
No, he's gonna need it. He's gonna break your window. We need to figure something out with him.
Both you guys up. Take the back up. Now you want the. Well, okay. You understand? I'll
Sarge.
fuck you up.
Alright, he's gonna take it.
You understand that shit? Y'all fuck with me for no
He's
reason.
at 54 on B51 with the route. Do you want me to have like Lieutenant bring one?
Hey, you got it hard, girl. You got it hard with men. And you got it hard to dealing with them. Man, you man up to that shit.
I'm gonna get a bag and put his stuff in for you real quick.
Me and him are gonna grab a leg.
Hand it to you.
Yeah.
Do you want me to go behind or you want me to stay right here? Okay.
No, open it. You bro. Hey, I wasn't even driving a motorcycle. And you sat there
Can you
doing the
spread the
track.
streets so I don't
Like
get
I wasn't even on the motorcycle. Alright. You wasn't even on the motorcycle. Not catching me in the act. How the fuck you arrest me if you can't catch me in the act? Where is human rights? Where is Florida rights, right? Ain't Florida rights? Ain't Florida rights is like you gotta catch me in the act of doing something?
Daniel, stop,
You're
bro.
a fucking disgrace to
Stop, bro.
Boricua. You're a fucking disgrace.
Stop.
You know what? You're a fucking
Stop.
disgrace.
Stop.
Stop. What?
No, I didn't get it. You fucking kicked me.
You're a fucking disgrace. You're a fucking disgrace. You're a fucking. You what?
No, sir.
You guys arrested me for no reason. You guys arrested me for no reason.
Take it off.
Huh?
Okay.
You guys arrested me for no reason.
I got it.
You arrested me for no reason.
Hey, hold his leg down.
You arrested me for no reason. I wasn't even on my bike.
Kick once.
You didn't say no.
Yeah, it's probably me.
Say no. I'll fucking aim this at you. You understand? It ain't hard to find where you live. It ain't hard.
What's up, bro? Step back. Go back now. Go back.
Hey. Get your fucking hands on my son.
Hey.
You get your fucking run. Yo, fucking somebody.
Another piece.
You bitch. Y'all scared. Y'all fucking I will fuck you up.
He's trying to bite you.
I will fuck you up. I'll fuck you up. I don't give a fuck who you is. You touch my son again, I'll fucking kill. I'll fucking kill.
Let me grab the thing.
You hear me? Hey, how does it feel to be the bitch boy?
Push it underneath.
Hey, how does it feel to be the bitch? How does it feel to be the bitch in the man's world? You touch my, hey, you touch my, you touch my son again. You touch my son again. I'm gonna f you up. You know who you.
Yes,
You know who you fighting? You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed of who the fuck you are. My son. I'll get you. Yeah, you ain't showing up. You ain't gonna say. Hold up.
Kevin's.
No.
Oh, Jesus.
You should be in the straight.
I'm the son.
You're a son?
Yeah.
Where's your ID now?
ID?
Yeah.
I don't have it on me, but I have a license.
Okay, do you have a picture of your license?
Don't ever walk up like that again. You gotta stay 25 feet away. Or else you're gonna jail for
No,
obstruction.
sorry, go to jail. Yeah, don't walk up on a scene like that or else you can get arrested, okay?
Okay,
If we're doing that kind of stuff, he's crazy. He's drunk.
I was trying to calm him down.
Yeah, no, in that situation, no one's calming him down.